Here's how to fix corrupted files in Windows 11. First, open the Start menu, search for CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Inside the command prompt, type the command sfc/scan now and press Enter. This will scan your Windows system files and automatically replace any missing or corrupted files. Wait for the verification process to reach 100%. This may take several minutes. Once the scan is complete, we'll run another repair command. You can find this command in the video description, so simply copy it and paste it into the command prompt. Then press Enter. This scan will check your Windows operating system for corrupted files and attempt to repair them automatically. Again, wait until the process reaches 100%. If you're still experiencing problems after running both scans, the next step is to check your drive for errors. Open File Explorer, select This PC, then right-click your main Windows drive, which is usually the C drive, and select Properties. Next, open the Tools tab. Under Error Checking, click Check, then select Scan Drive. Windows will now scan your drive for corrupted or incorrect files and attempt to fix any problems it finds. If the issue continues, open the Start menu, search for Settings, and open it. Select System from the left side, then scroll down and open Recovery. Under the Recovery options, look for Fix Problems using Windows Update. Click Reinstall Now to reinstall the current version of Windows and repair broken system files. Your personal files and data will remain untouched. If that still doesn't solve the problem, the final option is to reset Windows. Under Reset This PC, click Reset PC and a window will pop up. Select Keep My Files. Keep in mind that this will remove third-party applications, so you'll need to reinstall those programs after the reset is complete. Select Local Reinstall and follow the instructions shown on screen to complete the recovery process. This should resolve persistent issues caused by corrupted Windows system files. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.